Hi everybody, this is Dahlia with Dahlia's Dishes and Destination.
All right, there goes Dahlia and Laurel going into the spiced tea exchange. They love the tea, so they're gonna go look inside, see what they can buy. We've been here several times. See, Pierre, I don't know if he's really thrilled by going into the tea place. But one time, it's the first time he's ever going in. So we're gonna check it out. There he goes. Blue Watch on the run. No, you're good. You're good. Good. How are you?
Yes.
And we're trying to remember what we came here for.
Florida sunshine?
Florida sunshine this way.
We have been here several times.
Wonderful. We're glad you're here. You already got sunshine in
You can see how they have all the teas. The smell in here is incredible. Listen.
Shrimp, potatoes, vegetables, eggs.
You like the smell in here, Pierre?
I'm confused. There's a lot of smell in here.
There is. There is. It's an incredible spicy smell, isn't it?
It is awesome.
That you don't use salt.
Talia, how do you love this place? Tell the people how you love this place.
I love it.
All right, people, this is Enrique's favorite place. Ice creams of every kind. And I think Pierre will like this too. I think Pierre will like this too. What do you think? Yeah, I figure you like this place with all the ice creams. Huh? See all the ice creams, and it smells so good in here all the time. Look at this right here. It's all homemade fudge. Not awesome? Look at those apples. This is Scully's on the water right here. See the water right here? Look at the beautiful scenery. There's the bridge that takes you across from Madeira Beach into Treasure Island. Here you can rent a boat to take you fishing for half a day, all day, take you out to see the dolphins. They got dolphin sites. Right next door to Scully's, you got Caddy's. Caddy's has food, seafood, different foods, and they got Caddy's actually has a place down here where they sit you right on the water. So when you eat, you can sit right on the water. Very nice place to walk around. Bring your girlfriend, bring your boyfriend, bring your wife. It doesn't matter. Bring your husband. Who cares? Just have fun. It's Caddy's downstairs. Ain't this beautiful out here, Pierre?
It's beautiful.
Oh, man, look at this scenery. It's ridiculous beautiful. And I love the way you can sit down there and eat right next to the water. That's for Caddy's.
Hi everybody, this is Dahlia with Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations, and today I'm here in my kitchen at home. It was supposed to be a rainy day here in Indian Rocks. It was going to rain all day, as usual in Indian Rocks. It rains for a little while and then the sun comes out. Today we're going to eat carne con papa, beef stew with potatoes. I'm going to make it in the pressure cooker. I could also make it in just any pot that you have, if you wanted to just make it slow, low and slow. But today I want to show you again in the pressure cooker, Instant Pot pressure cooker, so that you can learn how to make it easy and fast, so that things in life, when it gets crazy and busy, you still have an easy way to make a good meal for your family. As always, I've got all my ingredients outside already pureed and measured. And my beef stew. I'm going to add this beef stew to my pressure cooker, and I'm going to put it as high as I can with the water. The water will turn, of course, to broth, and I'm going to put a green pepper and onion inside, just peeled and seeded inside my pot, and I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes.
The man of many hats just showed up. Just here to say hello.
I added my green pepper and onions and the meat, and the beef stew meat is inside. It's quite a bit of beef stew, so it's a lot. I have the 8-quart, so of course it's going to feed a lot more people, but it does hold a lot of the beef stew, and later I'll have enough room for the potatoes, and it'll be able to cook all of your beef stew and potatoes in your pressure cooker. But if you want, like I do always with my beans, afterwards, after it's finished cooking, I'll transfer it to another pot and let it slow cook there, or just serve it from my pot. It's just a lot easier to me for us to serve from our pots than the slow cooker or instant pot. We also have a rice cooker to the side so that we can make our rice later. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and set my pressure cooker to manual. And like I said, we're going to put it on for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to saute my veggies, my dry ingredients, and have it ready so that when it does finish cooking, I'll be able to already have this sauteed and ready to put inside the pressure cooker a second time. And we'll add our sofrito, our base, our dry ingredients, and our potatoes to our beef stew, and we'll cook it our second time. I've made my sofrito, my base. I've sauteed it in olive oil. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce, my olives and capers and wine, let it cook for a little while we're still waiting for our pressure cooker to finish. We finished making our sofrito, our base, and now we're going to add it to our Instant Pot container and we took out some of the broth just in case, put it away to the side. If I need to use more of the broth inside, I'll add it. But what we're gonna do is just add our base to our pot and hope it doesn't splash. And sometimes it does. It gets me all stained, but I think we did pretty good today. So the base is all sauteed. It's been sitting on the stove top real low and slow, waiting for our meat to tenderize. It's all been tenderized. We're gonna add our potatoes and into this broth, and then we're going to set our pressure cooker to manual, and we're going to do it again for 10 minutes. That should soften our potatoes and give our beef stew a little bit more time to tenderize. This is our finished product. We transferred it from the Instant Pot into one of my pots. We've served my mom, and she's in the background scraping her bowl. My dog's in the background as well, whining. But we're gonna get ready to eat our beef stew, carne con papa. The recipe will be at the bottom. And remember, if you like these recipes and you want more, please like and subscribe. But remember always, it's all about the food. Are you ready?
It's already recording, so everything you just said is recording.
Not a problem. I'm the one that edits it and I cut it.
Go for it.
We have our finished product that I just, the ring. Hi, Doc. Nope. Now, okay.
Long-time Caribbean.
Sit back. Dahlia, go get her purse. Go get her purse for her.
Holy shit.
I can't get out. Okay, well, we're here at John's Pass now. We're here at Dahlia's favorite store. You can see this store here.
Yes.
Soaps is Dahlia. Already buying some soaps. She loves this place. The smell here is ridiculous. The smell is so good. And Dahlia, this is her favorite store right here, so we'll take pictures and
the best.
yeah, see all the pictures
And I have to keep
all the stuff they sell here. We come here at least once every couple months or so, and Dahlia buys all of her soaps here. And the smell here is incredible.